Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character chasing an Among Us dog. Alright, it's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, so stick around for the entire video. It's going to be really, I would say, short and succinct, so let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to just curve along the back right here, gradually go up, curve to the top of the crewmate's head. Kind of curve forward here to the top, the very top of the crewmate's head, and then pull down. I'm going to put a line across here for the visor of the crewmate. Right here, curve in the front of the visor, curve for the back, and then pull a line underneath. Over here, I'm going to pull a line down the front of the crewmate, kind of leaning down forward, you know. Over here, he's going to have his hand curve. You know, those floating hands they have, right? They're disconnected from the body. Curve over here for the thumb. Line over here, pull up. So you have his hand right here kind of trying to scoop, right? He's trying to go after the dog. And we have his other hand over here on the other side. Remember, the hand's floating. Don't forget to check out the Among Us playlist. It's in the description. Go check that out after this. Curve right here, down for the palm. Curve right here for this side of the palm. Curve in. Curve in, curve in right there. So now you have this hand is kind of clasped, right? And it's real simple shapes, just a lot of curves, nothing too extravagant. Gonna go right here, curve line here, down. Go over here on this side, and then pull from the rear area, and then pull down, and curve right here for that flat foot right there. Go over here, you see the other foot in the back, like so. And then we're going to add on that backpack, okay? Line out. Marker's kind of dying. Let me switch markers here. Line out. Up. Down. So use that kind of parachute in the back there. You can throw a line right here to show that you see the bottom of that foot. And now we're going to throw the dog over here. The dog's going to be like curve up over here for the tail of the dog. Line out. Gonna find the ear. It's gonna run into the ear of the dog, like so, which looks like pretty much like a marshmallow block. Line over here. Circle. It's got like one eye on the dog. Circle in the middle of that. Circle for the highlight, and I'm going to fill in the rest right here. Line up, out, down, in. Line out over here for the nose. Pull back. Smile. Circle for the nose here. And I'm going to draw like a line right there. For the nose right there. I'm gonna fill in that circle because that's the front of the dog's nose. Down here for the tongue. Line. Curve right here for the bottom of the mouth. Pull in. Down. Curve here. Line of the stomach. Hind foot. It's just kind of these little nubs, so it's relatively easy, I think, because of those nubs. You're not drawing with your fingers. Let's go down here, which is the hind leg. Right over here, which is the hind leg over here. And that's mostly it. So we're gonna go over here to the visor. We're gonna draw a line through it. Circle, just kind of give it the impression that it's reflection, which is a really big deal, right? You want it to look like a reflective surface, especially within the only glass area of the whole design. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thick line around each figure, just like around the outer edge. And when you do that, it's going to give the impression, it's going to give a stronger impression, basically. So that's kind of what you want. You want a stronger look to it. Down. Here. Gonna go over here, the hand, same thing, draw a thicker line around it. Over here. Now around the dog, just kind of, again, this line. While I'm doing this, let me talk really fast about something. If you want to learn how to draw anything and everything, like you want, maybe you have shaky hands when you draw, what I want you to do is I want you to go to sketchingeasy.com and click on the dragon, okay? Sketchingeasy.com, then click on the dragon. When you do that, it's going to kind of give you this introductory lesson on all drawing to kind of get clean lines. I would say if you have an issue with clean lines, go there. It's going to give you the exact kind of method that I got over the messy line thing. It's incredibly easy. You can get rid of it like in a few weeks. Like and some people never get rid of it because they don't practice the stuff I'm talking about. Pretty much, it's very easy. But let me fix this line over here. It's kind of bugging me. But anyways, I want to thank you very much. I appreciate all the good stuff I've been hearing. You guys are really fun, and I want you guys to. Oh, let me pull a little bit of a thicker line around here because this is coming forward. Right on. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Share the video if you can, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be a little bit later this afternoon. Talk to you next time, okay? See you soon.